So for the load-bearing wall, for the foundation wall, go to the ground floor plan. Okay. And then we'll create a foundation wall. Okay. Save your project if prompted. Okay. So you want to start with the generic foundation wall. Edit. Duplicate. Place your initial. Just say foundation. Thickness of 300 mm. Click OK. So don't just place the name. Make sure you edit the structure 300 and then just change this to concrete cast in place. Again, click on use render appearance. That will average out all the color of the pixel of the texture. So that's what this is doing. And if you want to further change that, you need to uncheck and change the brightness as needed. Click OK and click OK. Click OK. Now here, it's easy when you're doing it for this load-bearing wall, since it will also be centered. Okay, so centered base constraint. So remember, we are in the we're in the ground floor and going down to the top of footing. Now from the top of footing, we want to remove the thickness of our wall foundation or footing. So that should be about 150 thick. So we'll say with an offset of 150. Okay, to give room to the footing. So this is the base, right? So the wall will start at the yes. Zero then. See, that's how easy I am, right? Yes, yes. See, and then you can start here. Okay, start. And again, you won't be able to see what you are creating. If you want to see what you're creating, you do want to, let's hit escape first. Let's change the underlay first to show us the top of footing. Okay. So escape first and go to underlay, under floor plan, underlay. Okay, let's restart the wall command, WA. That's our foundation, wall center, top of footing is 0. Okay. Start here. Notice that now we're able to see what we are building because we turned on the underlay. Okay. So if you want to see what you're doing, which I know you want to, then make sure you turn that underlay on. Let's go cut a section. So there's a section icon here at the top left corner under the quick menu. So let's cut a section here. Okay, hit escape, then double click on the section. Okay, so there's your.
Where are you going up the floor?
Right, so we're going to the ground floor down to the top of footing. Right?
No, when you drew it.
When
you drew it on the floor plan.
Yeah.
How far did you go?
Oh, just at the
Edge of the wall.
Yeah, edge of the wall. And it will connect. Okay. Now, I want you to figure out where should you, or what's the offset if you want your, so let's turn this to fine, detail level. You want to normally place your footing or foundation starting from your core, right? So this is 300, this is more than 300. So what should your offset be? Okay? So that your if I have here, if I add a line, so that your foundation will start here. Okay? So what's your offset? So kindly figure that out. I'll go around to